What's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in to another video. So today we are going to be doing something to the Talon, which you guys have not seen for a long time. And here it is, right in front of me. As you can see, we have some things ripped apart here, and that's because I'm a stupid idiot and I broke it. So as you can see right here, there's supposed to be a mount for an arm, and yeah, that's broken off and is currently still attached to this control arm. So we've been trying to source a part for that to fix it, but there's not a lot of these cars around. It's kind of hard to find parts, so we just got that ripped off today while we looked for something else to replace it with. How'd I break it?
How'd you break it?
Not by drifting into a curb. So today though, we're basically just going to be making the taillights look a little better for basically free. So as you can see here, they're orange and red, which is kind of gross. And we're going to be showing you how to make the whole thing red and just look a lot cleaner.
Alright, so step number one, get your taillights out of the car. Step number two, start masking off. So with this one, as you can see on the other one, we have this like harsh line here, and then so basically there's a piece of trim right in here, and then it starts the taillight. So basically what we've done is I have kind of longer nails. So what I can do is I can just push my nail through, and sometimes it'll just start cutting on its own. And if you don't do this, just use an X-Acto knife. And basically what you can do is you can just follow a factory line around it so that you don't have a weird paint line or nothing obvious around it. That's just a little trick that you can get it. And so what we're going to do is just tape the top, and we're going to tape off this clear reverse light. For
the reverse light, there's actually like a little ridge, so you can do the exact same trick. It's not flush.
Yeah, there's a little seam in there. So yeah, we're just going to tape those off, and then we're going to be spraying them. So we'll show you when we're all masked up.
Alright guys, now so I'm just going to show you what you're going to need to do this. So here's the taillight. It's all masked off. We're going to use this VHT nightshade, so it's basically just like a translucent red paint, so the light will still go through it and all that. And we're just going to paint the whole thing because it's probably not going to match this red, so we'll just paint the whole thing red, and then we'll peel off this tape for the reverse light, and then we'll just use some basic clear coat just to go over the whole thing.
Yeah, you can buy like taillight clear coat, but it's like twice as expensive, and it probably does the exact same thing. So just wear shoes regular, and we'll keep you posted on how it turned out.
Yeah, let's get to it. Okay.
Yeah, I do.
We also did clean the lights off, by the way. We didn't show it, but you should definitely do that.
Yeah.
Didn't clean them off well.
They're clean.
They're clean.
All right, mate.
This is definitely what goes all over those cans.
Oh, 100%. It already looks more red. Dude, one coat did so much.
Yeah, it did, eh?
That one looks red on camera already.
Yeah. That made it.
So, just like taillight smoke, you probably need 3 to 5 coats. We just got one on there, and they already look like so much more red. They're more orange in real life, but on camera, like this one looks almost completely red. This one you can still see a little bit, but yeah, we'll probably do 2 or 3 more coats, and we'll just show you guys when it's done.
Yeah.
I mean, it's pretty easy to spray a can. I'm sure you don't want to see it.
Yeah, totally. Alright guys, so we put down 4 coats now. That's honestly like probably all you need. If you look here, the orange is pretty much gone. It's a pretty uniform color.
There's a weird glare on that one right now, but yeah, all the orange is gone. Basically, we did 2 light coats to get it to stick, and then 2 heavier coats, and it darkened the whole taillight. Like
yeah, it's kind of nice too, because honestly, I like this color better than just like the red before. It's kind of like not a tint, but it's just like it's darker red than factory.
It just pops more. It's like more of a cherry red, I guess. Like it just grabs your attention a little bit more. So we'll see what they look like in the car. But basically what we're going to do now is wait for the paint to dry a little bit and then peel off the reverse squares here when it's just a bit tacky.
Yeah, and then just clear coat, wait for it to dry, and that's it.
Yeah, and then you're done. So yeah, we'll update you as we go. We have one of them unmasked now, and we're quite liking the contrast that it's given us, and we'll just show you how you pull that off.
Yeah, so we left a seam in the middle here, so you can kind of pick that seam up, and then just carefully peel it off, pull towards like the center, so that if it does bring up some pain, it's not going to keep ripping it off.
Yeah, I always take your time with this stuff because it's pretty easy to mess up. Yeah, it's not worth rushing it. I don't know if that's... Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, it came out really crispy.
Yeah, that looks perfect.
So yeah, that came out really nice. Having that natural little seam helps so much.
Yeah, if that was flush, if the reverse lights were flush, that would be
A lot
so
trickier,
much harder. Yeah,
100%.
so you have to freehand that. But
Yeah. Yeah, but it's nice having a little seam because you can just use your nails or a knife or whatever and get around it.
Yeah.
And yeah,
Turns out pretty good.
now we're just gonna hit it with some clear just to make the finish pop, and they'll be ready to go back in the car once they're dry.
Also, you just want to do some clear because right now there's gonna be like a line of paint to no paint, so that's has the possibility to like flake off or peel off or something like that. But if you just clear the whole thing, then it's all just one consistent surface.
Exactly. Yeah, we should have a little like obviously highs and lows and whatnot, so
Yeah.
we're just gonna smooth it all out with some clear.
And the clear will make it look better too, shinier, make it pop. So yeah.
Always clear coat.
Yep.
It's how you make your garbage paint look less garbage.
Yep. All right, guys. So we finished putting the clear coat on the lights, and we've got them back installed. We didn't really show you much because I don't know, it's just installing headlights. It's not that cool, but taillights. Yep, taillights. But the result we got is honestly amazing. So I'm going to show you right now. So there we go, all red. Looks so much better. They're so much glossier than they were before, and honestly, it just makes it look so much more modern than it used to be. That being said, the car is really dirty right now, and it's on jack stands, so it's not the best representation, but I still think this looks so sweet. You want to hit the lights, Brody? Yeah, so that's the look with the lights on. So and there's the hazards there, so no more orange strip on top. Just that pure red look with those white reverse lights. Looks so good. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope you guys learned something from it. It's a super easy and also really cheap. That was like $40 to do that, and it totally changes the look of the car. It makes it look way more modern, because if you look at any modern car nowadays, there's basically no orange on the taillights ever, and it just gives it a really dated look. And it's a super easy way to make it look better. A lot of old 90s cars this can be applied to. I actually learned this trick from a video I saw where they did it to a 240. Which, as you know, if you've seen them before, have the orange on top of on the top half of the taillights, and then the red underneath, kind of like this, and it makes it look so much cleaner. Gets rid of the orange, makes it look so glossy, so nice. Totally changes it.
Yeah, definitely a more modern look. Definitely cleans up the back end of your car. So give it a try. Let us know how it goes. Use the same materials we did and try and follow along with our tips, because they're kind of helpful just to get some clean lines and whatnot.
Well, I mean, it turned out pretty good for us. So if you just follow what we did, you should have really good success as well.
Absolutely, yeah.
So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.